Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your ALCATEL free from 2019. So first, let's unlock the phone. Now, here we need to check the site volume first. Now click on this little icon to go over into the sound settings. So, as you guys can see, we do not have a call volume here. So what we want to do right now is call somebody and increase the volume using the side buttons. As you guys can see, just like that, everything should be okay. Now after that, what you guys want to do is disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So for example, when you're connected to your car or any headphones. So go over to the network and connection. Here, go to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. So now it's enabled, as you guys can see, and now it's disabled. So keep it disabled for the time of testing, and then what you guys can do is clean the earpiece right here. It's basically almost hidden, but here you guys can clean it with a soft brush to get rid of any dirt or debris that may be inside. Now after that, you guys can call somebody on the phone app or simply call somebody from another app. So for example, WhatsApp or anything else. Now what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and click on restart. Click on OK, and now your phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once my phone is back. So now, after restarting your phone, let's open it up. And now what you guys want to do is go over to the settings and reset the phone options. So go to settings. Here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the system. Now here, let's click on reset. And we won't reset the entire device. We will just reset the network settings right here. So click on it. We will reset all network settings, as you guys can see, including the Wi-Fi. So we will have to enable Wi-Fi again, the mobile data, and the Bluetooth. So after you click it, everything will be gone from those three sections, and it should fix your issue. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.